She over there laughing.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to you all.
We came to Wendy's to get us a little Frosty, Oreo Frosty. And I think my mom, this her first time eating it.
Yes.
Well, it's not my first time, but she finna do a little taste test.
And she taking her time.
Who?
You? That good right there.
It look like you way over there and I'm way over there.
This is great.
I need my other glasses on.
Wipe my mouth off. I'm so short, y'all can't hardly see me. That's mine and that's hers.
She's short everywhere she goes. She's short in the car. She's
Shut up, Lisa.
It's all right though.
She don't know how to stop. She just got to keep on going. Mouth. Oh, Lord.
If somebody would have told me years ago, what your height, Mom? 4'11"?
Yes. 4'11". Thank God.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not no little teeny little thing.
What you is?
I'm 4'11". How about
No,
the
you
ones?
say thank God you ain't no...
How about the little teeny ones?
Oh,
They got some smaller than me, child. Thank God. Well, I'm still short, though. Okay.
now you caught me out guard. That was fun. I was kind of slow just now. I hope all the parents, not parents, I hope all the mothers are having a good. I was kind of down a little bit in the beginning, but I got all right. I thought about God and I just say, I'm gonna enjoy this day.
We got to keep on going.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have the excuse out my wig and stuff broke up.
Lord. Mm-mm. That's about all I can say. Uh-oh, now my head just...
What are you saying? You talking about that about all you
Look
can
at
say?
Lisa, I'm just a spit. That's flat. I am down. You know, I know I'm supposed to be eating all this stuff.
Oh, what the?
Tell me that now.
What else you eat?
I done ate my Twix bar and stuff.
Oh, you sure did.
Oatmeal cookie.
She had a big old twist bar too. The one that had 4 in it.
Lisa, why you telling people? That's how they say I'm telling. You want to know the whole story, ain't you? Oh. This will make your nose run, don't it? It'll open me up or something.
Oh, Lord.
Eyes running. Okay.
I can't believe it.
Mm?
I finna say, I can't believe Walmart ain't crowded. But they was crowded yesterday, you know. They done got what they need to have for Mother's Day.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Tastes good. I'm about full though.
well, I just wanted to come on, y'all, just to share our little snack. Do our little taste test where she do her little taste test. And it's Mother's Day, and we just enjoying this little day. So I'm finna go with. So I'm getting ready to go with. I gotta get my words right.
We love y'all and happy Mother's.
That's it. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe and like, comment. But it really been hard for me to do videos because of my work. I try to stay consistent as much as I can. But yeah, I need a little bit more. A little bit, but yeah. I'll be back. More, it look like you way over there and I'm way over here.
Huh?
It look like you way over there and I'm way over here. Have a good day.